Hi everyone, I'm Tushar Ramnan from 99 Workouts. We've been featuring a lot of interesting people from Pune, and today we have a special guest. Let's see who the special guest is. Uh, Very beautiful person. She's done a lot of things in the sense that, well, why don't we just have a chat and find out what she's up to? We have our guest Rosaline. Hi Rosaline.
Hi,
I'm going to
Tushar.
fit in into this tire, you know. I have to. We'll have a small chat. Okay, Rosaline. Um, this is about people who have different professions to take care of, but find time to go and exercise. Basically, trying to motivate people who say that we don't get time to go and work out. We're busy in this. Their schedules are very tight and things like that. So I'm featuring a lot of people who, I mean, people can relate, that like how they're trying to take out time and do some kind of exercise. So Roslyn, tell me something about yourself. Like what do you do exactly?
I work for a company called as Panchil Reality. We are the top company, the top builders company in Pune, and I work for the hospitality vertical.
Okay.
We have a lot of five-star hotels here in Pune. Apart from this, I'm also a very passionate baker
Wow.
and healthy baking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We have a guest today. She's from the reality, kind of, what do you call, like, one of the, I mean, who doesn't know Panchil? It's like that. But you said you're part of the hospitality industry as well. So generally, hospitality industry का ऐसा रहता है कि people say that it's they don't have any timeline. Their working schedules are so erratic. So how would you fit in workout and exercise for yourself in that kind of lifestyle?
See, it depends from person to person. I mean, for me, health is wealth. I'm a mother of two children. I work, I bake, I do a lot of things, but my priority is health. If that is not there, my entire day is gone for a toss. So I ensure that come what may.
Okay.
In a day, 1 hour I give myself,
Okay.
and I do yoga. And if it's not yoga, then it's just a walk in the park,
Okay.
which is good enough for me.
Okay. So around in a day, like in 6 days a week, you can
Yeah.
take out time for
Yes,
yourself.
yes,
Okay.
in the morning.
Okay. So Rose is a mom. She's with Panchil Group, working during the day. She does baking. So tell me something. Now there's a fad for healthy food and protein-rich food. Do customers and clients call you and ask that they want something because bakery products are no.
Yeah.
Do you have any clients who say that we want something sugar-free and something like that?
Yes, basically I specialize in health bars.
Okay.
So there are a lot of clients who are not very happy with few dry fruits. So I customize the bars as per their requirement.
Okay.
And yeah, they are pretty happy.
Okay, okay. So you think that the latest trend is there's a lot of demand for these kind of bars,
Yes,
something
yes,
like that?
yeah.
Okay.
Because a healthy snack is the way to starting a good day,
Right.
and people don't have much time for a full meal
Right.
in the morning.
Right.
So grabbing a health bar along with a glass of milk
Right.
is good enough before an exercise or after a workout, or any time people are traveling. Just have a bar and you're done for the day.
Right. So, Rose, tell me something. Were you ever on the heavier side and like a kind of a obese side, and you had a transformation or something like that during your journey?
I have not spoken about this, but yes, after my second child, both my pregnancies I had put on 25 kilos,
Oh, wow.
and both my pregnancies I was 95, and then I've come down to this. But after my second child, I had a lot of bone issues. I didn't take care of myself the way uh, I should have, and my bones went for a toss, and I couldn't walk for a year. I had to literally limp, I had to literally hold on things and walk. And now here I am. I walk the ramp, and I'm modeling, I'm doing 10 different things. It's all because of one thing, going 1 hour for yourself and exercising.
इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट. आपने सुना कि 1 घंटा दिन में 1 घंटा खुद के लिए, खुद के हेल्थ के लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. और हम ये सोचते नहीं हैं क्योंकि पूरे दिन हम बिज़ी रहते हैं कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी के पीछे. और अचानक अगर कुछ इंसिडेंट हो या कहीं कुछ मेडिकल इशू हो, तब हमें रियलाइज़ होता है कि वो 1 घंटा कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लिए. Roslyn has been also doing ramp shows. I just saw her in one of the shows and she was looking really gorgeous. So I believe you participated in some Gladrag shows a couple of years
Yeah,
back.
that was Gladrax Mrs. India 2010. I was the finalist. I was there in the top 12.
Wow.
That's
And
one.
if I'm not wrong, you had some history of being with the airlines or something. Was it? Am I right?
No, I was not.
Okay. I don't know. We had this. I think I had someone had told me once that you're part of the airline industry also. Maybe I'm wrong, but so tell me something. You participated in these shows around how many years back? 8-9 years back.
Yeah.
So now when you compete or now when you go on the ramp, do you see a lot of change in the structure of women who are coming to walk the ramp, or they are all worked out, or they're focusing on workout and things like that?
I guess they are all on some kind of a fad diet, which I fail to understand, because I believe that whatever we have been born and brought up eating, I guess we need to continue the same, because I see girls, oh no, not to eat this and not to eat that, and I seriously don't understand this kind of a diet.
So that's what I mean. It's so amazing, a person who's done shows, participated in Gladrax some around 8-9 years back, and still after 8-9 years, having 2 kids. You have got
Yeah,
2 kids, and then working during the day, then working out, and then still walking on the ramp after 9 years. So hats off to you. So what would you like to convey to the moms who are still thinking about that time nikalte hai, let's go. They have this lethargic kind of attitude. What would you like to? How would you like to motivate them, so that they start working out and start taking care of themselves?
it is very important, moms, to take care of yourself. I see a lot of moms, they put on weight and then they get depressed and they have a lot of other issues because of this depression. Please come out of it, take care of yourself, just like the way you take care of your child. And you all are beautiful, we all are beautiful, we all have issues, but we need to fight those issues. And we need to give ourselves that 1 hour, be it yoga, be it just a walk, be it whatever you like, maybe just dancing, just do whatever makes you happy, but exercise. This is the key to everything.
How inspiring is that? That's what 99 Workouts is all about. About real people, candid chats, and personal one-to-one experience. And I know why I am featuring her is because I know her. I know that she will be working out tomorrow, being a Monday. No fake pictures, or no doing any kind of artificial things to prove that you are fit and things like that. So this 99 Workouts is all about real people and real. That's why it's been shot on an iPhone. It's not been even shot on an HD camera with edits. That's the whole idea. And how inspiring was that? That sentence statement was so inspiring. I'll request, this is right from a mom, a fit mom, who's talking about motivating and asking people who are going to watch this episode, that please come out of your shell and at least spend an hour to any kind of fitness activity. My last question to you is, the Prime Minister has just announced the Fit India movement officially. So what do you think about it?
I think it's wonderful. I mean, the Prime Minister of the country also is an inspiration. At that age, that man, I mean, he is running around so much. He understands the importance of being fit, and hence we all need to get into it, and we all need to push ourselves and buck up the moment. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Roslyn, for taking out time, on a Sunday. We're shooting this on a Sunday morning, and everyone's got his Ganpati festival time. Everyone's so busy. So I really appreciate that you agreed to feature on 99 Workouts. And please keep watching. This episode is very, very important. And we're going to have a very fantastic guest in the next episode on 99 Workouts on Instagram. Thank you so much.